Sanitation and disinfection in the salon. Maintaining proper sanitation and disinfection in a salon is essential for ensuring client safety, preventing the spread of infections, and upholding professional standards. Every salon professional must understand and apply these practices consistently. 1. Understanding key terms. Sanitation, the process of cleaning tools, surfaces, and equipment to remove dirt, debris, and some germs. It reduces the number of pathogens but does not kill all of them. Disinfection, the process of using chemical agents to destroy most microorganisms on non-living surfaces and tools. EPA Registered Disinfectant is used to disinfect combs, brushes, hair-cutting scissors and razor holders, and non-porous cosmetology implements. Sterilization. Sterilization is the process of completely destroying all forms of microbial life, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spores, on tools and equipment. It is the highest level of decontamination and ensures that instruments are entirely free from any living microorganisms. Steam autoclave is used for sterilization. Dry heat sterilizer. Uses hot air at high temperatures, 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, for a specific time. Suitable for metal tools that may rust in moist environments. Importance of sanitation and disinfection. Protects clients and staff from infections and diseases. Maintains a professional and trustworthy salon environment. Complies with health and safety regulations. Extends the lifespan of tools and equipment. Steps for proper sanitation and disinfection. 1. Clean. Wash tools and surfaces with soap and warm water to remove visible dirt and residue. 2. Rinse and dry. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely before applying disinfectant. 3. Disinfect. Use an EPA Registered Disinfectant or one approved by local health authorities. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for contact time. Store properly. Keep disinfected tools in a clean, dry, and covered container to prevent recontamination. OSHA stands for Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which is an agency of U.S. Department of Labor. Its main purpose is to ensure safe and healthy working conditions for employees by setting and enforcing standards and providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. Common salon areas requiring attention. Workstations, wipe down chairs, mirrors, and counters after each client. Tools and implements, disinfect scissors, combs, brushes, and clippers after every use. Linens and towels, use clean towels for each client and launder them with hot water and detergent. Floors and restrooms, sweep and mop regularly, disinfect high-touch surfaces frequently. Personal hygiene practices. Wash hands before and after each client. Wear gloves when handling chemicals or performing procedures that may involve contact with bodily fluids. Keep uniforms clean and hair neatly tied back. Record keeping in compliance. Maintain logs of cleaning and disinfection schedules. Regularly check expiration dates on disinfectants and replace them as needed. Conclusion. A clean and disinfected salon not only ensures safety but also enhances client confidence and satisfaction. Consistent adherence to sanitation and disinfection protocols reflects professionalism and care in every service provided.